I am a strong independent woman. Regardless of the words you are telling me that the sky's the limit. When I know I can reach for the stars. But your actions are holding me back like gravity. A force meant to be defied. And I will defy your disrespect, mistreatment and misunderstanding. I am strong because I am not afraid to break a nail. To get down and dirty. In fact, I will claw, punch and kick my way through your barriers to lead to the top of it all. To my destiny. I will break the chains of social injustice that restrict me from reaching my dreams and aspirations. I will break free from the cage of your gender stereotypes. I may be a woman, a female, but you will no longer define me. I am a strong, independent woman. I am independent because I defy those old Disney princess fantasies. You see, I will stop my wicked witch, slay my dragon, and still have time to run my kingdom. I don't need Prince Charming to save me. And I won't be defined by my shoe size. I am independent because I can think for myself. I don't need Cosmo, 17 nor Vogue to tell me how to dress. I don't need the media to tell me how to look. I don't live in the Malibu dream house. I will never be Barbie. She's perfect plastic and fake fantasies. While I'm the real deal. I am more than what you see. I am more than my face. I am strong because I can bleed for 5 days and 4 nights and only get so much as a cramp. I can endure the pain of my body being ripped open just to give birth. And underneath all the screams and blood splatter is a woman turned into a mother. I am more than my body. I am a temple that deserves respect. I am brought by Adam, but made hastily by Eve. And none shall enter my garden. I am not a tool for your pleasure. I am not your servant, maid or chef. I won't fix your breakfast. I won't make your bed. My many uses aren't to be used by you. Don't call me baby, or babe. Do not undermine me. For I am power beyond belief. I am strong because I am connected to my inner being. My spiritual surroundings and with life all around. Yes, I may live in my emotions sometimes, and you may scrutinize my expression. But I can walk with my head held high and a smile on my face. I have a voice. I have mind. I have a soul. None of which you can control. I will strike you down with my very last breath. Never hesitating to become the woman I'm meant to be. I am strong and independent. I am woman.